Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Ernest Review. This is Ernest Felix here. Today I'll be reviewing VidCloud. This has already gone live today, the 15th August at 11:59 EST. Now, VidCloud is a perfect alternative to Wistia and Vimeo. With the VidCloud, you can keep your traffic in-house while enjoying all the features of these other platforms plus many more. Guys, best of all, VidCloud is fully cloud based and requires no downloads or installations. So there's no need to worry about clunky software or outdated technology. VidCloud is ideal for businesses who want to keep their traffic in-house, create lightning fast videos, capture leads, add CTAs, and integrate their favorite responders, autoresponders. Plus, with a commercial license, which is included in ViidCloud, you can sell the service directly to prospects, making it lucrative addition to your business. You can help marketers, local businesses, and website owners get more traffic, engagements, and sale for their videos. You can see your activate your ready to profit video hosting and marketing agencies without any budget, video skills, or marketing experience. It is 100% automated software hosts, plays, and markets your line HD training and sales videos on any landing pages, blog, Spotify, and membership site for the highest lead conversion, sales, and profits. We'll talk about ViidCloud just after I go through my earnestly awesome bonuses, which you'll be getting free once you click the link below and buy VidCloud from me. So, what are the bonuses? Bonus number one, you get the high impact WordPress slideshow, create eye catching, high impact, flexible slideshows in minutes. Bonus number two, 100 mobile website templates. Saves time and boasts sales with this amazing 100 templates. Mobile website templates are simple to set up and easy to deploy quickly. Bonus number three is done for you autoresponder templates. Get 100 plus plug and play email marketing auto response messages. Bonus number four, done for you email marketing templates. This is 49 done for you email written exclusively by an email marketing expert for you. And the bonus number five is all the special bonuses from VidCloud. There are two bonuses that you'll enjoy as a fast action vendor bonus if you pick up VidCloud today. Friends, what is VidCloud all about? It's your own all in one video hosting and marketing agency for total marketing domination. It's an all inclusive solution. You get everything you need to become a full fledged video hosting and marketing agency practically overnight. Multiple revenue streams. You can sell video hosting and marketing services to client or even sell video landing pages to businesses. Offer a wide range of services, host, play, and market your clients' history training and video sales videos on any landing pages, blog, Shopify, and membership site for highest lead conversion, sales and profit, no technical skills or experience needed, done for you, customizable video templates are included, and we also provide detailed step by step training. This is perfect for newbie and experienced marketers too. And the prices are, you get the price front end, VidCloud front end at $19, and there is a discount of $2, and you'll get this for $17. To start with, your front end is more than enough to put you on track. If you feel that you want a professional version and unlimited version, then you can go for OTO 1, which is costing $37. Later, you can go in for the OTO 2, which is $47, OTO 3, $67, and others like OTO 4 and OTO 5 are $97. Actually, you'll get even the reseller rights. So all this is covered by a no question asked and 30-day money back guarantee. If you feel that this product is not working for you, then you can get back your refund. So with this, let's get into the sales page and look further. I will not go through each and every detail, but let's analyze few of the statements made in the sales page. Right, guys, now we are in the sales page. There is a video explaining about VidCloud. You can go through it at your own leisure. I will explain you only those important points that are in sales page. The rest you can go through it by yourself, so that I will not be wasting your time. So VidCloud helps you solve multiple issues businesses are facing right now with their videos. What are those? Like VidCloud keeps your clients' traffic in house with 100% control of their videos and having zero outside commercials or recommendations inside their videos. The commercials are big put offs for many people when they are watching a presentation. So here what happens is these are eliminated. So this is one of the very important reasons why VidCloud will be useful for you. And it creates a lightning fast video for the best user experience in addition to fantastic overlays of animation to get maximum about clicks and engagements for your clients. VidCloud also has its own capture leads, had CTAs, integrates your favorite autoresponders, and so many more marketing features to generate more leads and sales. And also turns your client's video into an instant GIF and solves the autoplay issue 10x the number of views their videos get. Host your client's videos at no extra cost with first ever Dropbox integration. Nothing to download or install, fully cloud based. And even commercial license is included with your front end itself. There's no monthly fees, it's totally risk free. I want to highlight this particular thing. Businesses, marketers, website owners, and others are desperately looking for a solution that will help them with these problems. They can avoid recurring expenses. This is very important. Other platforms like Vimeo, Vistia, Vidyard, etc., they charge 1000 to 1800 every year. Here there is nothing as payments, monthly payments. It is a one-time small payment, or all you have to do. They can bring down drop rates due to longer buffering period. Here there is no buffering period. They can skip annoying ads that are killing conversions. There are no annoying ads with VidCloud. They can protect their content from being stolen and used by other competitors. They can stop their audience getting redirected. They can stop the haters, competitors from posting fake negative comments and reviews. Nowadays, you get a lot of negative comments, and they are fake negative comments. You can avoid that. They can drive targeted traffic that is actually interested in their products and services. And they don't have to worry about the annoying terms and conditions. So these are the other important features that will support you when you buy VidCloud. I'll play you a demo of the product just after this review, and you can have a look at that demo too. And here are just a few other game changer features in VidCloud that others don't have. Insert powerful marketing tools within videos to drive up your sale. Stunning video lead pages template. Animated video play buttons. Create playlist. Drag and drop editor. Easy and insightful analytics for better results. Attractive and effective. Path breaking combination of MP4 and HD. SEO optimization for higher ranking. Social media friendly delivering viral contents. All these things you'll be seeing in the demo video, which will be following my review. Now there is a small comparison between VidCloud, Vistia, Vimeo, Vidyard. Right from the prices, this is one-time price, this is monthly, the balance all are monthly, and you can see most of the features are available with VidCloud. This makes it worth the money what you're paying one time for VidCloud. And to celebrate this special launch, they also give you some exclusive bonuses, which I've covered in the bonus page. You get bonus number 1, video ads formula. Bonus number 2, you also get the consulting mastery. VidCloud, your cheat sheet to instant profit. That is the slogan. So grab your very own exclusive and limited commercial license when you go in for it today. Okay, now I would just like to clarify, all these you will not be getting in the front end. I'll just go back here. You can see this asterisk marked team management, client management, etc. All these things you will be getting: lead gates, advertisement gates. All these things you'll be getting in the OTO 1, 2, and 3, etc. So this is one thing they are not been very clear what all you'll be getting in the front end. But when you see the demo, from the demo you'll realize that plenty of options are there in the front end itself. So what I would suggest is you go in for the front end, and once you feel that you can go in for the premium version or the unlimited version, then you can go in for the OTO 1 and OTO 2. When you're earning more money, then you can go for the other OTOs. So now friends, I will play the video for you, demo video. It'll give you an idea about what product you're buying. It'll help you make a decision on whether to go for this product or not. But I feel this is a good product, as it has everything in it inbuilt, and you get the free commercial license. Let's go into the demo and then we'll conclude.
It's Moshbury. Welcome to VidCloud. Google Chrome and Safari stops video autoplays. Number one problem. And number two problem, if your videos are hosted on YouTube, Vimeo, etc., they leave their logos and their video suggestions that takes your visitors from your page to those hosts or hosting services. Besides, your videos don't build leads for you, or you can't add call to action on your videos. But if you want to do that, you have to use Vimeo or Wistia, which are very, very expensive. VidCloud completely solves all these problems. So let me show you one by one. Add a campaign and click next step. Then you upload your videos. You can upload your videos in 3 different places: our S3 server, or your own S3 server, or Dropbox. So you can stream your videos from all these 3 options. So now I'm going to upload a video from my hard drive. Once it's done, go to next step. And here you can select GIF thumbnail or image thumbnail from GIF or from Jiffy or Tenor or Unsplash or Pixabay. I will not do that. I will go to next step, and I will choose the first 3 seconds of the video and create a GIF from the video. Now you see the GIF is created from the video. I can select whichever portion, 3 seconds I can choose from. Now this animation can be changed from these icons, and also the text option can be changed. From here, you can choose a different type of overlay. So button overlay, opt-in overlay, and auto redirect. And you can choose when these overlays will show up, when it's paused, when it's ended, or timed. And you can also choose opt-in forms as overlay. You can simply connect your autoresponder, select the email list, and the autoresponder form will show up here. For this campaign, I have selected a button overlay, and the button will show only when the video is paused. And this is the link, and they change the button color and all, and then autoresponder is just selected and click next step. This part is for SEO. And for the header and footer script, if you want to add pixels and all, and then click next step. And then here you choose a template. Actually, this is the first thing we should have done. We can choose from a lots of templates here. Okay, we have total 20 templates. So let's choose any one of them. Let's say this one, or maybe this one, or maybe this one. I'm totally confused which one. Let's choose this one, the first one, the best, and customize this template and name it. First, name it. Okay, the name of template would be. You can choose your own images, or you can choose from Pixabay, Giphy, Tenor you want. You can add text you want. You can edit anything you want. And then finally, the template will be ready. And here is where your video will be. So I'm just going to finish this up. Now I put all the information, and I just named it as Hey You Superman as my template. So I'm going to save this template. And now on the campaign from choose templates, I can choose the templates and hit save. The campaign is here now in the campaign section. I can click the link. If I click the link, the page will open with the video with all the bells and whistles. Now the video is running, and if you pause the video, you see this button overlay. Okay, you can click here and you see where it takes you. Now if I change the campaign to opt-in overlay and save it, save, and refresh the campaign page. So once again, let's run the video.
Hey Smosh, welcome to this.
And when I pause, the opt-in form shows up. Super awesome, right? So all the problems are solved. Thank you.
So that's it, friends. We have come to the end of the review, and I feel that the product is good. Go for the front end. $17 after getting the 2% discount is a good buy. Try it out. If you feel, yes, this is a good product, then you can go for the OTOs. But there are enough features in the front end itself. And once you decide to buy VidCloud from me, you get my bonuses free. Thank you very much for staying with me. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. See you. Bye.